Guys, here's a quick overview of the version 2 1.8T catch can kit that we have designed. It will come with everything you see in this video. So it'll come with the billet brackets that attach to the actual can on both sides. It attaches to the factory spots right there, and then the factory spot right there. You'll have the hoses already included, pre-made, cut to length and everything. You'll have two 45s coming out of the can. They will follow this way. There will be a joiner block right there, a Y block that joins the one hose into two. And this is specifically designed for use with our valve cover. Whether it's billet or cast, it'll fit the same way. And then the last hose will be the one that goes to the block breather, which is right there. And then that fitting down there will also be included. So basically the kit will be completely plug and play. You won't have to buy anything else besides obviously our valve cover in order to use it. And that's it. Very simple and very straightforward.